Good job. Put it in your bucket. Keep looking.
Another one.
Good job.
Okay.
Yep, put it in your bucket.
That's you.
Oh,
Yours.
thank you so
That's
much.
mine.
Thank you.
I have to put it there.
Oh, okay.
Can I open it?
Sure. Can you get it?
What's in there?
What's in there? Let's see.
It's
It's candy.
a candy.
Yeah.
I put it in my bucket.
Okay.
Mommy, open yours.
Oh, okay.
Can I open the candy?
Sure. I got some candy too.
You got eggs candy?
I got eggs candy.
Mommy, these are yours.
Oh, thank you so much.
Here.
Okay. Thank you.
And this is mine.
Uh,
It's chocolate.
yes, it is.
It is chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate. Open mine.
You're doing a good job.
I open it. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
What is that?
It's a chocolate bar.
A chocolate bar.
Mm-hmm.
It's a chocolate bar.
You got
Can I
it.
eat it?
Sure. Then we'll go find the rest of your eggs. Is it yummy?